Hey
guys,
guys,
it's the Muffin Trio. And we know it's been a while since the last time we uploaded a video, so might as well just do one right now. Today's video is just gonna be a food review, as you probably tell by the title, and yeah, hope you enjoy.
Okay, so we're just gonna tell you guys what we have. So I'm gonna start with, we have 2 bottles of Gatorade. We got the blueberry and pomegranate, and then we got the fruit punch. So we're just gonna put those to the side. Our other drink for today, we have our Fiji water.
Yeah, not sponsored or anything, just.
We just got Fiji water. And then, yeah, we just have gum on the side after.
And then we have Doritos Sweet Chili Heat.
And then we got Doritos Dynamite. Never had this one. It's chili and lime, so that might be
Alright,
good.
well, we got some Warheads right here. Sour Twists. We're also gonna try that.
We also got the Maynard Sour Patch Kids. We got Micah Knights. We're gonna get the regular ones, but then I just saw the ones that say intense fruit, so never had the intense fruit one, so we're gonna try that out.
I'm gonna have Nerds Rope. I never tried this, but
Me neither.
You know.
And we have Mamba. Eduardo never tried Mamba, so yeah, or Mamba, and yeah, so it's another candy.
Followed up by Starburst. Alright, we're just gonna try some of this.
And then we have
a lot of Airheads.
A lot of Airheads, different flavors.
Yeah.
And there's a couple that we didn't try yet, so we're gonna start with probably the Airheads.
Yeah, the classics.
Yeah, I actually never had the mystery.
I had that.
You have?
It's just good.
Well, that's classic anyways. This is a classic. Grape is not. Is grape a classic?
Not sure. All I know that.
I never had grape.
Last one is.
I'm not gonna have grape.
Something new.
Strawberry is a classic. So we got green apple. Was it a classic? No. Watermelon was a classic.
Yeah.
Okay, green apple is new. So we have 4 classics, and then we have 3 new ones that we never had and never saw. We have we'll start with we have the grape, we have the green apple, and then we got, I think this is the newest one, the
maple syrup.
Maple syrup. So I don't know if it's gonna be good, but we're gonna try it and tell you guys if it's worth buying or not. So we're just gonna start with the classics first. So we're gonna put these on to the side. So go with we're gonna have the cherry one first.
Okay. Don't worry, guys. Just
There.
Okay. Okay. Really nothing to say here except it tastes like cherry, I guess.
It's good. It's really good. I guess it's worth buying.
Yeah, well, yeah.
We got these for like 50 cents, so we'll save that for later.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try the strawberry one. This video might be sort of like kind of quiet. Oh yeah, we should drink something.
Okay.
Right. I'm gonna drink something first. Yo, this one's hard. Alright. It tastes like strawberry. Like, I don't know what you want me to say.
There's really nothing else to say, honestly.
It tastes like strawberry. It kind of tastes like those lollipops. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Nope.
The ones that you get from like the barber.
Oh, okay.
Kind of like old. This one's like really way more chewy than the other one. Still decent, worth the money. I'm gonna go with
watermelon.
You open this one. Where's the green one?
Hmm?
I'm gonna put the wrapper. Oh, I actually have to finish this one.
I guess this one tastes like watermelon.
Pretty much. Alright. I'm gonna save these for later. Just gonna have a quick sip. And now we're gonna go with the
Blueberry. Or blue
blueberry.
raspberry, actually.
Did anybody guess the mystery yet at all?
Nah, I mean I tried it, but I think it's supposed to be cream soda actually.
Probably.
Cause like I bought like 5 of them and they're like the same flavor, cream soda. So
The blue one is probably gonna be my favorite.
honestly, maple syrup somehow like beats it, but like,
That's my favorite. When I was a kid, I always got the blue one because blue is my favorite color, and the only thing I trusted was stuff that was blue.
I used to get these from Chuck E. Cheese when I was younger.
I remember when we went. We stocked up on Warheads. And now this is a mystery.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Maybe we should start drinking the Fiji.
I would do that.
I don't really like it.
I'm not. Oh.
It doesn't taste
It may
good.
look like I'm eating all of it, but I'm. Food review.
We're cutting that out. This tastes shit.
Wouldn't recommend it.
Not at all. I feel like the maple syrup's gonna beat this. No way. We'll use the Fiji for the chips.
Alright. What is it on to grape or?
Shots on his Yeah, I don't like
Okay,
it.
no, okay, we're moving on to grape.
Mhm.
Next one's grape. Okay. I didn't get that good of a grip. Okay, okay, calm down. There you go. Okay.
I saw the stupid white one in my mouth. Can you even say anything about it? Like,
Tastes like grape. If you guys didn't know already, but
I'm gonna save it. The ones I save are pretty much the ones I already like. Okay, I didn't save the blue one, but I like the blue one the best.
oh, this one's a bit sweeter though. But like, only if you want something sweet. All right, next up, green apple. Oh, this is a nice. Damn, that's a nice shade of green.
Because it's your fucking favorite color.
Emerald.
Shout out to Jensen for telling us to go to the Dollarama or whatever Dollar Cake place.
Whatever. Convenience, whatever, all those places.
Yeah.
Tastes like green apple if you didn't know.
And I also gave him my change, so. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
No, wait, no, we gotta show this. There we go. If you can, you know, maple syrup.
No! Smell it! Smell it! It smells way too much like maple syrup.
Okay, it's
It
like
smells
it's
great.
caramel. It's caramel, bro. It's caramel.
I'm not gonna like it. I'm not gonna like. I'm gonna barf. I swear to God, I'm gonna barf. It's bad, isn't it? It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't tell if it's syrup or caramel. No, it's like if you put this on your pancake, it's perfect. But okay, this one's ass. Wouldn't recommend this one. I thought it was gonna be all of them, but
Yeah, I tossed the whole thing out. It's disgusting. It's disgusting, actually.
I don't know.
That's
I don't know
shit.
how this made
That
it to
is
the public.
shit. That is shit.
I don't.
That is shit. That is actually garbage. Oh,
We need a refund.
No, I'm actually never getting that again. Why would you make that?
I don't know why. I don't know what they were thinking about. All right, next up we have Nerds Rope. You know
That tastes like shit. I actually need to wash it out.
Wait, no, we gotta open up the PG. All
We're
right.
gonna split that somehow. Oh, there's the rope.
There you
guys
go.
probably saw it 100 times.
Yeah, you guys probably already eaten this and shit, but like I never
Hey,
had
Paul.
this. Okay.
Sorry. Excuse me. Tastes like Nerds.
Honestly, it's like Nerds. Not really with the Twizzler, but like something like
Like a gummy.
yeah.
I think the gummy takes a lot of the taste though.
You can barely taste the gummy.
I taste it.
I could barely. All these nerds. Well, I don't know if they just used it just to attach all the nerds, but.
Couple bites more in, it kind of tastes like ass. Like kind of. Yeah. Pass
Alright.
that. Pass that.
What?
And then put my thing.
Oh yeah. Okay. Next up,
Do you
almost
recommend
everyone
it?
knows this.
Do you
Oh. Nah.
if you have like 4 friends, then yes.
Yeah. Alright, next up, Starburst.
Unless you really like Nerds, then
Okay.
get it. But that's too much.
Nah, the sweetness.
Don't. No. They're gonna roast our grammar. They're gonna roast our grammar.
The sweet.
No, they're gonna sweet
Ness.
taste. Sweet taste. They're gonna roast our grammar.
Yeah, but sweetness is also okay.
No, just. I don't know.
Okay, now I'll just take all that. There we go.
Okay, so we have all different flavors.
Yep, all the ones that actually came in the packaging, but
Alright, so I'll give you orange and yellow and orange.
okay, good enough. Okay,
You got 3.
good enough. All right.
Orange is good. Yellow is okay. Not the greatest. I could even open mine. Is it good? Would you recommend it?
I would recommend it.
Well, orange you would.
Yeah, tastes like orange.
How about yellow?
All right.
I got the red one. People said their paper's edible.
Yeah.
But is it? No, that's not even the garbage bag anymore. That's a spit bag.
Yeah.
You're throwing that shit out.
If you see us spitting that, you know it's trash. But holy shit, how much time am I gonna chew on this?
Don't open that yet. I didn't even open my second one yet.
Okay, I'm just wait. Oh, you gotta tell what the flavor is.
Oh, the first one was strawberry. I would recommend it. This one is. Pink one tastes like that syrup that you got for like Tylenol syrup when you were.
Oh,
a little
okay,
kid.
like yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like that.
Alright, well, up next we got Warheads, Sour Twist, 3 flavors, green apple, lemon, and watermelon.
Well, that's the
So,
candy is.
They're all in pretty much one. Let me do it.
Bro, who's keeping all this candy? Or do we just finish it after the video?
I don't know, bro. Like, we're probably gonna split like half and half or some
I
shit.
can't bring it home.
What? Okay, what? No,
Oh, we
just
gotta
keep
finish
it
it.
somewhere.
We have to finish it. Alright, I took 2.
No, it doesn't look like you could break it apart, so. Alright. Okay.
It doesn't taste too good.
Yeah, it's good, but as soon as you bite down, it's like you're chewing rubber. I'm not gonna lie.
No, it tastes like shit. It like
Or you take 1 or 2.
wait.
I'm gonna try one more.
I don't really like it.
Honestly, I want to get it. Just stick to like,
The regular ones.
yeah.
Or I don't recommend it. I don't know. You see, something
Well, I mean,
tastes
we're not
weird.
spitting it out, but like, you just, if you had option to get something else, just get something else.
There's something that tastes bad. I swear. I don't know if it's a green one or a yellow one.
Alright.
I'm doing something on this side.
Yep. I'm just gonna hit all that. Chips for laughs. And yeah.
We got Maynards. There was really no point in getting them.
Yeah, but it like.
We did a
if
video
you,
on
if you
them
haven't
last time.
tried this, then like,
I don't know. You probably live under a rock.
yeah, like you didn't have a good childhood then.
Oh, it doesn't come apart. It legit comes out like that.
Okay.
Okay, I got.
Okay, I'm taking. Oh wait, that's not.
I got a red and a blue one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try it. For yellow right here.
Like usual. Really good.
Yeah. There's no need for an explanation or anything. Really, like.
Could probably eat a whole bag of these. I'm gonna save those for later.
Next up, we got Mamba. I'm sure you might not know this, but like, so you know, we saw it, we just took it.
Well, I took it.
Yeah, okay. Alright. I'm gonna try. Oh.
I had this when I was a child, so. They're the same ones, aren't they? Wow. Rip off.
Well, 2 cherries.
I got a fucking. Okay.
Raspberry
Anyone
and
gets fucking
strawberry.
cherry, I guess.
Okay.
There we go. They're the flavors. I don't know. You guys haven't tried Mamba then. I was just lying about Ed not
I mean, I tried
Like
these, but
knowing.
like,
about Mamba.
it's been quite a while ever since I ate one.
Maybe
of
next
these.
time we'll do like donut review.
Something like that.
We'll get, and then from the food world, we'll get you punch it. I'm choosing the raspberry.
This is the strawberry.
Take that one.
Tastes like strawberry.
Mine tastes like a raspberry.
I would recommend this.
I would too. I think the raspberry was my favorite. But I don't know about now.
I mean, it sucks they didn't have the orange one, but
Especially an orange. Also, there was a lemon one. Cherry one, like usual, good.
raspberry, just like raspberry, nothing big.
We have 3
Up
more things
next,
to go.
Mike and Ike. This is intense fruit. Or you want to call it version or whatever, just
Oh. Strawberry one is not my favorite.
I mean, it's not that good, but like,
I don't know. Bro, Our tongues are gonna be absolute like shit after this.
What? Oh yeah. Oh no. Hold on. Okay, boys. Well, don't worry. No, we'll just find like a. Oh wait. There we go. Okay. Oh.
But these are sour.
Yeah, they said like sourlicious, something like that on the
Did
box.
this?
It says
Yeah.
it says right there.
Well,
I got a yellow and a blue.
I got a green, 2 greens and a red.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna grab that orange. Give me that orange. God damn, bro. There we go.
Tastes like green apple.
These are soft. Alright.
Would definitely take them if you have like sensitive teeth. Can't really bite down too hard. You could honestly just like crush them with your fingers.
Yeah. You gotta stretch them out.
Rip them. And just go. Probably sneak nice pack into like a movie theater or something.
Yeah. Highly recommend those. Or you just want to try original, but like still, either one.
And go for sweet chili heat. Oh my god.
Alright.
Kinda made my eye twitch there. Is my eye twitching?
I don't know. Oh, I know we're gonna put out the
Fiji water.
Fiji.
I didn't have this for so long.
It's been a while, my friend.
No, I mean I actually drink this every day. I'm joking. I don't spend $3. Oh, I can't open my. Wow, I spent $3 and I can't even open my own bottle. That's why I have a butler at home. His name is called Ed.
This tastes like water. Even though water has no taste, but like if you guys, you know, yeah. I don't know if it's just me or just the other flavors. It tastes like tap water or some shit.
It does taste. I swear that's what my teacher said. It's legit. They legit just put Fiji. Overpriced it.
Just put a nice background on the
Yeah,
bottle.
put a
Make it
good
look
background. Put all like this shit on it. And then it's just fill up with tap water.
Yeah.
What if your phone just died?
I don't give a shit. Okay, whatever.
It tastes like a fucking Dorito sweet chili heat.
Yeah.
Dorito, like.
This spicy, this sweet, you know, good mix. Would recommend these if you want something like
Well,
a bit chili or, yeah. What?
I was gonna take a couple more.
Nah.
I was saving for later.
Yeah, we're not trying to make a long video, you know.
And we do have to edit like
Okay.
a half an hour freaking restart.
Alright, well, these are Doritos Dynamite.
Final one.
Yep, Lab Squad. Never seen these actually. This is the first time I actually gonna try these.
First time filming too. They look like Takis.
Yeah, alright, they're pretty much Takis, but in Dorito form.
And you can't even smell it. They're not even Dorito form.
I guess, kind of.
It's legit a Dorito wrapped.
Yeah.
No.
No, I should just get rid of like regular Takis or whatever. I guess it's just a rip off. Honestly, like you just want your Doritos fan. You just want to get anything that's Dorito associated, and like
Follow Manuel down here.
go crazy. I guess that.
Well. Tastes like ass, bro.
I wouldn't recommend that. Just
Bro,
get
I'm
regular
never buying.
Takis.
I knew they were just shit.
So that's pretty much
I'm probably
all
never gonna
the
get
foods.
Fiji again. I don't like Fiji. Have what, bro? Like,
Okay.
what the fuck? Would not
Okay.
recommend Fiji.
Yeah. Honestly, like whatever, like a hype beast or some shit. You just try
I'm
to
joking.
flex, but like
I'm joking. Fiji's decent. It's okay.
yeah, like you know,
People hype it up too much though.
Yeah, they make it seem actually good than what it actually is, but anyway.
Well, that's enough of us.
That wraps up the video of our food review.
So thank you for watching and
Like, comment, subscribe,
turn
whatever
on
you want.
notifications.
Yep.